past my bedtime, but I'm wide awake wondering, have I ever sneezed in my sleep or not? I wandered back through all my life, but I can't remember much. What happened while I was asleep? I used to smoke, coughed up gold watches and things, coughed up money, but the tooth fairy stole that. I lose time when I turn out the light, find questions I can't outrun. Every answer fades away by the time the morning comes. I haven't got a clue what I've done in my sleep. It will bug me forever. I just wanna know, I just wanna know, I wanna know, have I ever sneezed in my sleep? Can anybody tell me, anybody who's seen me asleep? Nobody. I used to smoke, coughed up gold watches and things, coughed up money, but the tooth fairy stole that. Guess I'll never know if I've sneezed in my sleep.